Thing that nobody ever asked, where I'm not chosen. The Mr. Gun. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy, and I'm just gonna quickly break down this morning's session and this move. Super easy, super simple, best strategy of 2025. And if you want to learn this strategy for free or learn more from me, go to the description and let's get it. As you can see, this white background is 8 o'clock a.m. and that's the New York session open, right? And so as you can already see, the vibes is already going down, right? It hit this area up here. This is a 2 minute or a 5 minute. It hit a 5 minute. Continue to push down. I was up when it like opened. So the first thing that I did was I was on the 2 minute, right? I see this happen. I miss it, right? It came back up, and right here, let's go on the 1 minute. So if we go to the 1 minute, it looked like this and on my screen. And if you guys learn from me, all my peoples know that learn from me that this is a institutional candle. And look what happened. You can clearly see it respected this and it went flying down, right? And I actually took my profit out within this move right here. This is around a 60 pip move right here, and it was picture perfect. You know what I mean? There was nothing else to it. I was done very quick. Yeah, if you want to learn more, it was a quick recap. Today was quick. But if you want to learn, like I said in the beginning, go to the description and I'll be able to help you. But yeah, until the next video.